Here's the Legacy Edition. All right, this is the 333 FKTS. 333 FKTS. Show price, $39,637. Okay, little outdoor kitchen. All right, let's get up inside, see what's going on in this thing.
We've got a couple remarks going back to the Riverstone.
Okay, let's look.
Angela says, wow, 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 that's freaking amazing. Gypsy says, wow, can't believe the price. And is there room for paperwork in the bathroom? And then she said, nope. So I guess she answered her own question. Let us know if we need to readdress that.
All right, so we're in the 2 theater chairs, which are recliners. There's some electric features because of the charging plate, but I think that's all that's electric. Right across from the fireplace, stereo system, TV that would be there. This one also has a travel trailer. As you can see, that is a dedicated desk space, right? So you're starting to see this more and more and more, that the designers are coming up with floor plans that have dedicated office space for people.
I love that.
Right? And this one isn't necessarily going to, I mean, 39, grand isn't cheap, but it's not horribly expensive by today's standard for a decent travel trailer, right? And this isn't necessarily a tiny one, right? So over there you got your rear kitchen, as you can see. You've got your GE fridge, you got a 2-3 burner stove, microwave, lots of cabinets, and these are pretty deep cabinets, guys.
Yeah,
you're going to be able to get all your dishes, pots and pans, cups and mixing bowls all up in there.
Yeah.
Right, and huge storage down beneath.
Here we go.
There we go. There's your pull-out tray. That's all right, and a couple more drawers down there. And again, there's another cabinet to Lisa's left as well. More food pantry space. Okay. By the way, there's also some shelves underneath the desk, as well as the shelf up top. So let's go to the back. I'm interested to see what's back here because I saw a couple of doors. So I'm interested to know. Oh! I had no idea. Look at this, Lisa.
Oh, wow.
I had no idea.
Me either. And you know what else surprises me?
What?
There's
An
a washer
entry closet?
dryer.
Is that a washer dryer hookup?
It's a washer dryer hookup.
Wow. Do we have to trade in ours already?
Maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, this is nice. I love the way the bunks are on the slide this way.
Yeah.
That really gives you your own bedroom.
Yep. And there's cubby space.
Yeah.
Storage space up top, on both sides.
Yeah.
Nice, and a spot for TV back here too.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow.
Very nice.
You know what, Lisa? Hang on, I gotta back out.
Okay. Beep,
Wide load
beep,
coming through.
Beep.
All right. I was wondering what that second door was about. So here's your master back here, but I'm going to do the bathroom first. Come on through, Lisa, and open the door.
Okay.
And then walk back there. Okay.
Alrighty.
Or walk in. All right, toilet. I got to sit on it. That one's close. And again, I know I'm wearing my backpack, but I'll do my best for you guys. All right, hang on. I'm taking it off. I like this one.
This one's close.
Oh, God. I feel like I'm back in the military with my rucksack. This is good.
Yeah.
This is good.
Very nice.
As everybody's friend Matt would say, this is a prime pooping position. So, yeah, tall and fluffy approved. 2 thumbs up. Little vanity next to me. Underneath, just a little bit of storage. You do have a vanity up top. Medicine cabinet. I'd love to see a couple shelves up there instead of just one. It's just me. And then you have a place for the linens right here. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Drum roll. Shower. Oh. I cannot get my fingers above my head. I'm okay in the bubble, which, as you see, sort of forces me up against the knobs.
Yeah, that's a bad placement for the...
And I literally rubbed this thing as I'm going over it.
Yeah, the screws are not recessed.
And
so
not.
you
I'm wearing a hat, so I'm not feeling it. But that would have just scratched me 3 times.
Yeah, easily.
Okay.
Easily.
Darn it. See? That's why we started the channel. You can find a toilet that works great, but not a shower. You can find a shower that's great, but not a toilet.
Yeah, but you know, not for nothing. This is only the one bathroom. It's
Yep.
not bath and a half.
No, we would want a
so
bath and a half. Go
We
back
would
there.
want a bath and a half.
Gonna have to go buy a Riverstone.
Yeah. Well.
All right, so here we go.
We're gonna have to pitch in with Angela to win that lottery.
Underbed
wow.
storage, huge, but there's no pistons, guys.
No.
That sucker is heavy.
Oof, I
Okay.
bet it is.
Left and right shelves for your CPAPs.
Do you see power?
I don't see. There's power right here.
Okay.
Check the other side. Check that other side.
Power right here.
Okay, so the 110 power is quite a ways away.
Yeah, it is.
So the rest of it was good. They lose it in the master.
Yeah.
Nice big mirrors.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm sure there's lots of hanging space in there.
I'm sure
Let's
there
open
is.
this up. Yeah. That's
yeah,
nice.
a ton of hanging space.
That's good. All right, so they gotta fix the shower and fix the bedroom.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, maybe next year's model. All right, what else? Let's see. We need to find a couple more.